Привет, друзья! В море так много кораблей, больших и маленьких, быстрых и медленных. Хотите узнать, какие они бывают? Тогда пошли со мной.
A cargo ship sails far and wide, carrying goods on every side. At the port they unload fast, then it's off to sea at last. Look, a big white liner shines like a castle on the sea. Cabins, dining, lots of fun. On a journey here we come. Fishermen throw nets so wide, catching fish from the tide, sailing back to cook a treat. Dinner's ready, time to eat. An aircraft carrier, oh so grand, with planes that fly and safely land. Brave and strong, it sails the sea, protecting you and protecting me. See that speedboat, watch it go, splashes high and racing low. Fast and fun, it zooms so bright, gliding over waves so light. A sailing ship, a mighty sight, with tall white sails so big and bright. It waits for wind to fill the air, then off it goes without a care. A cruiser sails across the sea, brave and strong, protecting thee. A mighty ship, it guards the shore, keeping peace forevermore. A lovely yacht, oh what a dream, sailing free on waves that gleam. With the wind we ride so fast, a sea adventure made to last.
Какие вы молодцы! Теперь вы знаете так много кораблей. А в следующем видео мы отправимся в новое интересное путешествие. Хочешь узнать куда? Тогда не пропусти. До встречи!